This is Heat 4 at Event 21, Girls 11-12, 50-meter freestyle. Lane 1, Fergus Tasha, Lane Project. Lane 2, Balojas Ganyan, Black Dragons. Lane 3, Isaac Corman, the Aquamans. Lane 4, Lane Sahira, Aquamarine. Lane 4, Sonny Lanza, si Eastern Lane. Lane 6, Tahera Zara, and Desert Vikings. Lane 7, Paula Isabel, Black Dragons. Lane 8 is Mandan Leon, the Bacanawa. Lane 9, Rivera Senior, and Desert Vikings. Lane 10, Corpus Olivia, the East Plaza. All right, last